This is from the top of the hotel. This is Kuala Lumpur. For the first time I'm watching a railway track besides the road in Kuala Lumpur. It's a station also. It's a station. ଝିକର ଘର ବି ଅଛି। ୱାଇପର ୱାଇପର ଓକେ। The bikers are too speeder here, no? What speed they are moving on, the bikers, on the bike. This is Jane Tripathi reporting from Genting Highlands. This is 15th December 2019. We are a group of employees from East Coast Railway. Yes. We are moving and the time now is 13 by 15 hours. So meet you at the top. पूरा पूरा माने बाहर देखो ये जो बादल भीतर में जाउचे आमे बादल भीतर जाउचे 1000 फुट ना 1200 फुट पूरा 1200 ना 12000 नो 1200 Hi. Hi everybody. Hi. Hi. Hello sir. Hello.
Here all ice creams are there. You can put
Any ice
black ये जो chocolate.
Okay. All ice creams are here. Okay. And it's free.
And all ये
Fruits.
cakes, fruits, desserts.
अच्छा. Desserts we can take these also. We can eat these also.
It's all yours.
All ours.
All yours.
Okay.
Putting everything is all
Okay.
yours. This is all yours.
Chinese food, Thai food.
Chinese food. It is also contain some veg items. Huh?
अच्छा.
Bread, everything.
अच्छा ये जो
This is also your
everything ours.
And what see? Beef
Let's
is also
see.
here.
Beverage also.
No, beef.
Pig.
Beef. ମାନେ
ଆଚ୍ଛା,
ଗାଈ ମାଂସ
ହଁ,
ବି ଏଇଠି ଅଛି
ଆଚ୍ଛା,
କିନ୍ତୁ
ଆଚ୍ଛା।
ଭାଇ ତମ ପାଇଁ ଗାଈ ମାଂସ ସିନା ଖରାପ, ଲୋକମାନଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ବି ତ ଭଲ ନା ଭାଇ?
ହଁ।
ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ଖାଦ୍ୟ। This is Malayan food. Okay.
Malaysia food.
You can try everything.
Everything is here.
Ah,
We can try anything.
this is fish.
This is fish.
This is chicken. This is pork. Everything is here. Okay. And tea, coffee is there.
Tea coffee is also there. So anybody can eat.
How is the
Beautiful. Anybody can eat anything here.
It, no, it's free.
Free. Included.
But you have the ticket.
Included in the ticket. So I'll take something from here. Children will love to come here always. This is 15 December, Genting Highlands, Kuala Lumpur, Thailand.
Casino is that way actually.
What a giant screen on top of the roof. It's a screen itself.
Flying fox.
Yeah.
We want to catch up.
Wow. How is the sky? They made it a sky. It's amazing. Sean, it's amazing here. Yes. What they made. There's a giant screen on the roof. Love loop. People are sitting here, they'll go on the top. This is only one part. This is only one part. There are other parts also. Wow, what is this? Unbelievable. This is.
Okay, here we are.
Yeah. Good evening. Good evening, friends.
Good evening.
This is Jain Tripathi reporting from Kuala Lumpur. We are a group of East Coast Railway employees moving through this evening. We have been from Singapore. We have been from Singapore to Malaysia now, and today we are having a great journey and great fun in this Malaysia capital of Kuala Lumpur. Thank you, East Coast Railway, for giving us this chance. This is DN Tripathi once again reporting from Kuala Lumpur right now, right here. Thank you. This is the King's Palace, Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur. New King's Palace built in 2008, and there are 3 approaching roads here. One for the King and the Prime Minister, another is for their officials, and the third one is for the tourists and common man.
Sunway Hotel. On the left hand side, all Sunway belongs to his property. Okay, we are meeting sharp 3:30. We are meeting at Tourist Police. Okay, Tourist Police. Tourist Police is located on your right hand side.
This is the Sunway Lagoon, the water park in Malaysia, and today is 16 December 2019, and we are enjoying in this Sunway Lagoon the beautiful water park. It's an amusement park too, having all sorts of water sports, simple to extreme.
Can you see the field here? This is where everybody assembled and shouted Merdeka, Merdeka, Merdeka. Merdeka means independence. On the right hand side is used to be High Court of Malaysia and British administration office. On the right hand side, this is the High Court. Now the High Court is in Putrajaya. Last time this.
This is 16th December 2019. We are a group of employees from East Coast Railway, India, moving here today at the Independence Square of Malaysia. This is the place where a lot of Malaysians once upon a time together gathered here and shouted for independence, and the British Empire has given them independence. So this is the day and this is the area where we are staying now.
टाइम हो गया
Good afternoon. This is DN Tripathi reporting from Twin Towers. It's Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. We are a group of Indian Railways employees moving today here, visiting, and with our visiting partner, the Holiday Breaks. He has brought us here, and we are very much thankful to the authorities of East Coast Railway for this beautiful tour. We have come from Singapore and today we are at the Twin Towers of Malaysia. Thank you for watching. Let's take a panoramic view from top of the KL Tower, the city this evening. This is 16th December 2019 from KL Tower, Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur.
Okay, nice, this one.
Near house.
Yes, this is Prime Minister office. Because we can't stop here. We're not allowed, no? But I think we're gonna park at the bridge, Bridge is a place to park all the buses, then you can come down. It means 5:30 we need to leave. It's half an hour's drive away from the airport. Parliament is in Kuala Lumpur. They don't, the representatives don't come in and you know, they don't do their, doing their, you know, discussions here. In fact, members of Parliament who are ministers, deputy ministers who come here because their workplace is here.
Good afternoon. This is 17th December 2019. Here in the beautiful city of Putrajaya, and in front of the Prime Minister's residence, we are very happy that after completion of our tour from Singapore, we are here at Malaysia, and this is the famous city of Putrajaya, and we are in front of the Prime Minister's office right now here in Malaysia. A group of employees from East Coast Railway. Thank you, East Coast Railway.
Thank you.
Thank you for sending us here in the city of Putrajaya and the state of Malaysia. Thank you. This is JN Tripathi reporting from Putrajaya. Thank you for watching. Storage full. फोटो नहीं भी आगे टिके वीडियो कर दिया और दिस Kuala Lumpur airport. It's a huge one. It's a huge airport. You have to come from one side to another side by train. We come here by train, one side to another side.